Now this is the Geekom it13. It's rocking the Intel i9-13900HK, which has 14 cores, 20 threads, and up to 5.4 GHz turbo. You get Intel Iris Xe graphics card as well.
Now this part, it comes with a slot for an extra SSD. So that's really good if you want to add in more storage. Here as well, they have another slot for another SSD right there. Plus their 1 terabyte card right there. So if you want to swap that out for a larger one, you can as well. But the easiest route is to just add in your SSD. And then here we see the DDR4s.
Up to 64 gigs of DDR4 RAM and dual M.2 SSD support with Wi-Fi 6E in a body barely bigger than a sandwich.
One of these is 16 gigs. Put it back is to